Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Razan Asila and I want to storytelling about music from a broken string. Have you ever imagined preparing for years for one crucial moment only to have everything fall apart the exact instant it arrived? That night was the biggest music concert of my life. As young finalist, that stage meant everything. I had practiced 6 hours a day for the past 3 years. Thousands of my eyes started from the darkness of the auditorium. The spotlight hit me directly. The conductor raised his baton. My heart was pounding, but I was ready. I had memorized every single note of the complex composition I was about to play. The piece began. The bow glided smoothly across my violin, merging beautifully with the orchestra. Everything was going flawless until halfway through the song. Snap! A sharp, loud pop echoed from my instrument. The tightest string on my violin, the E string that sings the highest note, suddenly snapped. The broken end coiled loosely, and instantly the music in my head ground to a halt. Pure panic hit my chest. But in the world of classical violin, losing a string mid performance is an absolute disaster. It meant that one third of the note I was supposed to play next were simply gone. The world felt like it stopped spinning. I saw the conductor staring at me with the wide eyes. The audience began to whisper. I had only two cues: stop the show and walk off the stage in shame, or keep playing through the ruin. In a matter of a second that felt like eternity, I remember something my old mentor used to say: an ordinary musician plays their instrument, but a true musician plays their soul. If your instrument breaks, play your heart out. I took a deep I took a deep breath, closed my eyes, and pressed the bow back down against the three remaining strings. I couldn't reach the highest note as written, so I shift my finger placement drastically. I forced the three remaining strings to produce alternative note I had never once practiced. My finger danced wildly across the wooden fingerboard. The sound was no longer identical to the original score. It became deeper, heavier, and far more emotional. I was no longer just reading music, I was fighting for my life on that stage. As the final note, the room fell dead silent. A chilling, breathless silence. Three, I stood there, catching my breath, staring at my broken violin, preparing for the audience disappointment. But suddenly, one person stood up and clapped. Then, second, a third, until the entire hall erupted into a thunderous standing ovation. That night, I didn't deliver perfect performance, but I gave the most honest one. I realized one important thing: life rarely goes according to the sad music we plan out. We often lose our best strings, whatever is losing a job, a broken relationship, or future plans falling apart overnight. My friend, when something in your life breaks or snaps, don't just stop and walk off your stage. Don't let a broken string end your life symphony. Use what you still have left. Improvise, because sometimes the most beautiful music isn't made when everything goes perfectly, but when we refuse to stop playing despite our limitation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.